A long-standing client recently brought a rug into us and was very pleased to tell us that she bought a lovely silk rug. It was very disappointing for her to find out that it was actually just a machine-made rug made out of cotton. My name is Pia, and today I wish to explain to you the difference between a machine-made rug and a handmade rug, and how you can identify the one from the other. Of course, these things take time. We've been cleaning rugs for well over 15 years, and we have learned all the tricks of the trade in that time. So it would take you a long time to totally understand it, but this video will give you a better understanding of what to look for. So I have a collection of a few small rugs here, and I wish to take you through the differences between a handmade rug and a machine-made rug. So first of all, we'll start with the two rugs here. The first thing to realize is that the fringe runs all the way through from this end all the way through to the other end. So this fringe here is the same fiber that runs through the rug into this section here. If you turn the rug over, you'll notice at the back that this fringe is clearly running into the rug. If you look at that finer detail inside, that would form part of the line that goes into the rug. Over here I have the same thing. You can see here that this fringe forms part of the foundation of the rug, and it goes all the way through. Now over here I have a small rug here that is a bit different. You can see that the end is folded over, and you would notice that we've got some machine stitching down the edge here. Also, if you look at the rug, the very edge of the rug is very straight, and you can see there's a line that seems to be stitched by machine. If you look at the back of the rug, you'll also notice that everything looks quite symmetrical. It also giveaway sometimes on a handmade rug is that the edges are a bit are not so straight, and also they can curling a little bit. So that's also a giveaway for a rug that is handmade sometimes. So the difference between these three rugs here is we have a handmade rug here, and this one over here is machine made, and this one would be handmade as well. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions about your rug, to find out whether it's handmade or machine made, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you.